Hi, I'm Keith Bryant from Yxlon International. I'm here at Nepcon Thailand at the unveiling of our new ECO range of X-ray systems. We've had a very successful launch yesterday with all of our distributors from Asia. We had a great conference. We've just unveiled the machine this morning. We still have a big crowd of people that are interested and looking at it, and we hope to have a good show. And more than that, we hope that we are going to have the new benchmark for entry-level X-ray systems, and we're very soon going to become the market leader in this sector as we are market leader in the high-end sector. The ECO fits into a different marketplace, but yeah, you know, we want to have we definitely have achieved the same kind of buzz, the same kind of interest and enthusiasm from our distributors that we did with the EVO. This machine is fitting into the entry-level sector, so it's not a competitor for our existing product range, but it's going to become, we think, very quickly the best seller here as well.
Yeah, I feel very excited and as well as amazing with the new features, new outlook. Yeah, I feel so excited with these new launch machines. Because I've been with Yxlon for so many years, I feel that this product is pretty amazing, great, fast peak with the high resolution, and the image is, I can say that is the best. I would recommend people to own the Yxlon machines. They won't be regretted.
Yeah, I'm excited that Yxlon have greatest products, and among all the 2D X-ray, so far I have realized that the images that produced by this X-ray image is very crisp and very clear, and is very sharp, and it does help any user to easily identify the defect very easily. So one of the things that I'm impressed is the HDR, that it makes the user very easily to obtain a very crisp and clear image. In Asia, a lot of customer demands a lower cost of manufacturing. So I see that Yxlon is also have a very cost-effective products and able to go and reach to the second tier and third tier manufacturing.
Well, we've been representing Yxlon for a number of years now, and this new machine that they've brought to the market to fill the entry-level position is much appreciated. It's German built by German engineers, and one of the big taglines that they have at the moment is the Eco brand, that it's well sourced, you know. Yeah, no, I'm excited about it.
I think Yxlon X-ray is the image is very sharp. Yeah, this one, yeah, and the very new machine, exotic machine. I think for customer is very useful and friendly. Yxlon X-ray machines, the reliability is very well. I think this new machine will be the same.